The demand for precise baking tools has never been higher. Just like mechanical keyboards attract typists and gamers with their precision and tactile feedback, bakers seek reliable oven thermometers for perfect results. Accuracy and temperature ensures. List number. The ThermoPro TP16S is a versatile digital thermometer, perfect for baking enthusiasts who value accuracy. Featuring a wide temperature range and high precision sensor, it ensures your oven maintains the exact temperature needed for perfect results. Its large backlit LCD display is easy to read even in low light, and the timer function helps you monitor baking times precisely. The stainless steel probe resists heat damage, and the magnetic back allows easy attachment to your oven or fridge. Whether you're baking bread, cookies, or cakes, the TP16S keeps you in control of your results. Plus, its straightforward button layout makes it beginner-friendly, while the durable build ensures it will last for years. If you want a dependable thermometer for consistent baking success, the TP16S is an excellent choice. List 2. The ThermoPro TP16 offers the same trusted accuracy as its upgraded sibling, but in a simpler design, making it ideal for bakers who want functionality without extra features. Its large LCD screen clearly displays both current and target temperatures, ensuring you maintain precise control over your oven heat. The stainless steel probe and heat-resistant cable withstand extended baking sessions, perfect for bread or roasts. The programmable alarm alerts you when your oven reaches the desired temperature, preventing underbaking or burning. Its compact design fits easily into your kitchen space, and the magnetic back provides convenient storage. For bakers seeking reliability at an affordable price, the TP16 offers a great balance of quality and value. List 3. For bakers who prefer analog over digital, the Rubbermaid stainless steel oven thermometer delivers a simple yet dependable solution. Designed for both professional kitchens and home ovens, it measures temperatures from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 580 degrees Fahrenheit. 20 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, covering all baking needs. The durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the easy-to-read dial makes it simple to monitor your oven's heat at a glance. It can be hung or stood upright inside the oven, making it versatile for various setups. Unlike digital models, there's no need for batteries. Just place it in your oven and bake with confidence. This thermometer is NSF certified for food safety, ensuring your baking environment stays within safe and precise temperature ranges. List 4. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Thermometer is a favorite for its lightning-fast readings, making it ideal for bakers who frequently check oven or food temperatures. With a reading speed of just 2 to 3 seconds, you can quickly verify if your baked goods are ready without letting too much heat escape. Its waterproof design allows for easy cleaning, and the backlit display ensures clear visibility in any lighting. While it's typically marketed for meat, its wide temperature range and precise readings make it equally useful for bread, custards, and other baked treats. The foldable probe adds convenience, making it easy to store in any kitchen drawer. For bakers who need quick, spot-on results, this thermometer is a reliable tool. List number 5. This Oven Grill Fry Chef thermometer is a no-fuss analog tool, perfect for those who want simplicity and reliability. Its large dial clearly shows temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, making it useful for recipes from any region. The sturdy stainless steel housing ensures it can handle high heat baking without warping or discoloring. It can be placed on a rack or hung from an oven shelf for easy visibility. Ideal for baking bread, cakes, pizzas, or pastries, it helps ensure your oven is at the exact heat level your recipe demands. With no batteries required and a budget-friendly price, it's a practical choice for bakers who just want dependable results without extra gadgets.